Hey guys, this is the recording dubbing. This video actually didn't add any audio, just the game audio. So today we're gonna play Mech Arena with only Killshot, no weapons. Yep, there's an invite. So yeah, this is actually 2v1. So let's see who's gonna win in each and every round. There will be 3 rounds in which one is gonna be where like one round will be Surya alone, one round Rishket alone, one round Akush alone, like that. So let's continue with the game, I guess. But we are gonna wait for Akush Nag now. Come on, bro. Just join the game, Akush Nag. Alright. He forgot to remove the weapons and mix all things. He's ready, guys. So let's send him the invite, I guess. Meanwhile, since I'm just dubbing, I'm just gonna check my anger, in the game, but I'm just gonna watch some stereotypes on YouTube. Okay, he joined. Now I think we should just start the match. Alright, Surya or someone need to swap, do they? Is it done? When are we starting? Really, Akashna, you forgot to remove another weapon. Really? Is he gonna leave again now? Really? Bruh. It's gonna take a while. This video is getting lagged up. Is it coming? Actually, is it coming? Bruh. Whew. He joined, but Surya Tejo. Did you forget to remove all the other mix? Oh yes, of course you did. Okay, I'm gonna talk again when the match starts. Match started. So I remember planning in the time of me and Akrishna. So yeah, that's all. Nothing much. Continue with the game, Sam. Yeah. Okay, guys, this is the end of the video. I know the music was so fun. Well, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like the video and all that kind of stuff. New video coming soon in this 21st Sunday. Got into